Hello everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. So I just wanted to show you the completed lawn roller striper setup. I have it mounted to the bagger with these shear pins on both sides. Here we have a 4-inch PVC pipe. I had to use two 4-inch couplings on either side. And I used two 4-inch cleanout plugs. The axle is made of 1/2-inch all thread. It's on both sides. We have this right-angled structural bracket connected with 1/2-inch bolts and lock nuts. This is 1.5 inch aluminum angle. It's connected to another piece with 1/4 inch bolts. Lock nuts underneath. And the pipe itself is filled with sand. Now for this project, I used about a 4-foot section of PVC pipe. I got two 4-foot sections of the aluminum angle bracket. As you can see, the bottom one is almost an entire 4 feet. I think I cut off maybe about 1.5 inches to make it fit. And then I made these brackets to hold it with the other piece. So just a little DIY roller that you could do. In this case, I attached it to my cadet. And we'll see how it works next time I got them on. All right, thanks again. Oh, there will be short videos on the step-by-step process of putting this together. So you can see my thinking, what I did, how I went about it. And this was all put together with simple tools, and you can do it yourself if you want to. Thanks again, guys. Take care.